Alright, what I'm going to do now is take these cylinder bolts out. It's a 13 millimeter. And there's still washers in there. I'm going to leave those in there for right now. Get these bolts out. I mean, they're really, in there. They need to be cleaned up. And then after I clean them up, I'm going to do thread chasers through everything. So, I mean, this thing's stuck on here. It's not coming off. So, we'll move on to the next step. Hooking the bottle jack and the chain up and see if we can get those loose.